We're at L&R Autobody today, working on the green Land Cruiser. It's been a minute. We ended up doing the beige Sandstorm Land Cruiser in between, but you'll see some cool stuff. So people are just asking a bunch of questions. We're going to be putting on the Baer rotors and brake pads, checking on the Eibach suspension, making sure that's all dialed in. You're also going to see, we're going to show you guys the beige fuel wheels that we did. People asked some questions. They saw the beige wheels on the beige Land Cruiser. That was just for test fitment and to check out the different color combos. And we'll jump in the paint booth with Luis to paint all the flares and all the accessories matte black. And now we're going to go into paint booth with Luis to spray all the flares matte black. So we decided to pull out the stock old 94 carpet and gonna replace it with new carpet. So all this will be gone. New padding, new carpet, all new interior. All this bleep came out of here. So all this was underneath the stock carpet. I don't even know what that is, but now this is all clean and ready for the new carpet. So right now we're going to show you some of the details. This is the factory headlight. Super stoked. We got new Japanese headlights. So we'll show you guys the difference between these and these. Also really happy we got new Japanese corners. And then the new Japanese headlights. Will look like this when installed. And remember, all the trim is going to go matte black. Here's a close-up of the Japanese headlights and corners. You can see the difference between the Japanese headlights and the factory US spec. Big difference. We also got matching taillights that I'll show you guys on the car. So here are all the pieces to start reinstalling the hatch. So now he's working on the top section of the hatch, which Luis has painted. Bottom section's been installed. New carpet will cover this. It's coming together nicely. So now we're gonna put the new beige fuel wheels. See how they look in front of the green. I think it's gonna be a better combo. So the new fuel wheels, custom sandstorm color, our Falken Wild Peaks. We also made some custom spacers to sit behind the wheels to bring it out an inch for better clearance. And then we're super stoked. We're working with Delta. They made all new suspension for us, Panhard bar, and it matches the wheels perfect. Then the next video, kind of the final phases. I actually have a checklist, so you'll see how much is left. We have to paint the black trim around the side windows, the black and the fender wells, and then we've got to do a lot of installation stuff over the next 2 weeks before we take it to Unique Fabrication, where Mike and Adam will be building a custom exhaust, and then to Wilco to put on their hitch gate and to bolt on the fuel wheels and the Falken tires. But before any of that, we still got to install the snorkel, details like the wiper, the front grille. You'll see us installing the JDM headlights and the corner lights, the Thule roof rack, and then the Tepui tent. And then, of course, what's going to be cool, you'll see the custom front bumper, side skirts, rear bumper, and ladder that the guys at Unique Fabrication built. This one's got a lot more details and cool custom work compared to the beige one. We wanted to make sure the beige one was more, not a stock conversion, but more moderate, daily driven, and this one will have a lot of the cool parts like we just mentioned. And then also we've got to install the new carpet, the all orange Roadwire leather interior, the Delta center console and sliding rack, kicker audio, including the Bluetooth head unit, all the new speakers, the power tank, air system or CO2 system has to be installed. We got to do the Baer black zinc rotors, and new brake pads have to be installed. Also, we did the black Baer rotors because they'll look cool behind the beige fuel wheels. And then we've got to, of course, you'll see this has a new motor, new AC with condenser and radiator. This motor only has 50,000 miles compared to the old motor that had 267,000 miles. And then, of course, all the final details. So we'll do a walk around. We'll show you all some of the cool stuff. And then we've got about 2 weeks to get this car done over to Unique, back here to Illinois Autobody to be tuned, and then to Wilco to do the fifth wheel. So check it out.